My name is Jessica Lee. I am 16 years old and I study in Canadian International School of Beijing. I started swimming at 6 years old, and then my mom told me to choose a sport, and I chose swimming because I thought it would be really relaxed and it's in water, so I won't get sweaty. There's a special sound when you do a stroke. It's when your arm and the water, they touch each other and they make that special sound that I really enjoy. So I think there's 3 big accomplishments I did in my career of swimming to right now. The first one is Asia competition in Thailand. That's my first time to break a record, and that's when most of the people in the club knew me. And my time was actually faster than the boys that were an age group higher than me. And then the second one is a international competition in Hong Kong called Mantas. That's my second time to break a record. And it's really special because lots of people attend that meet. So there's a bunch of people watching, and they also give me a trophy for that. And then the third one is 1 year ago, which I didn't really practice and went to that swim meet called Beijing All-Star vs Asian All-Star in ISB. And I didn't expect myself to win anything or to get into finals, but I got first place and I also broke the record. So I was really happy. There's one meet in Beijing, which is the biggest swim meet in Beijing for international school students and public school students. And that meet, I got a national first class swimmer in China, and that's been my goal since 8 years old. So I was really excited. So before swimming, I was a girl that was really quiet and shy, both in class or around my friends. And after swimming, I gained lots of confidence. So I made new friends and I like to talk more. So swimming is one of the most important points. So I was really happy to start swimming, and it also taught me to be brave, be confident, and to never give up. I will start swimming in university and hopefully to join NCAA swim competition. Swimming is everything to me, and it's already been part of my life. To try new things and to never give up on what you're passionate about. It might be one of your really important or exciting moments. So I hope you guys find what you're passionate about.